Hello and welcome to another video where we will walk you through the process of selling digital products and how you can make a staggering $5,000 monthly doing so. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. The phrase digital product has grown in popularity in today's digital world. But what does it really mean? Any product that is generated, disseminated, and consumed digitally is referred to as a digital product. Everything from software programs and mobile apps to ebooks and online courses is included. These items are intended for use on electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptop computers, and desktop PCs. In this video, we will look at how to make $5,000 each month passively selling digital things so you can start living the life you've always wanted. The first step toward passive income through digital products is choosing a niche. Choosing a topic in which you're interested in and have experience so that you can make high quality items that others will like. Here are some niche markets that work well with digital products. Health and wellness. Fitness, nutrition, mental health and well-being are examples of themes covered in this specialty. Ebooks, online courses, and smartphone apps that provide exercise regimens, diet planning, and mental health assistance are examples of digital items that are appropriate with this niche. Business and entrepreneurship. Marketing, sales, and entrepreneurship are examples of topics in this field. Online courses, ebooks, and software tools that help company owners and entrepreneurs build their firms are examples of digital items that are appropriate with this niche. Personal development. Topics in this field include self-improvement, goal planning, and productivity. Ebooks, virtual classes, and mobile applications that assist people improve their personal and professional life are examples of digital items that are appropriate with this niche. Creative arts. Graphic design, music production, and writing are examples of topics related to this expertise. Graphic design assets, stock pictures, music and sound effects, and ebooks that teach creative skills are examples of digital items that are appropriate with this sector. Education and learning. Language learning, online education, and test preparation are examples of concepts in this industry. Online courses, ebooks, and applications that help people acquire new skills and prepare for tests are some of digital items that are appropriate with this niche. After you've determined your niche, it's time to develop your digital product. These are the digital products that add value to your target audience. Make certain that your product is of high quality and offers genuine value to your customers. Here are some examples of digital products that you could sell. Ebooks. You can create an ebook and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Payhip if you're an expert in a certain field or have useful knowledge to give. Online courses. You can make an online course that teaches a certain skill or topic. It's possible to produce and sell online courses using platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific. Stock photos. If you're a competent photographer, you can sell your images on sites such as Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Printables. Printables like calendars, worksheets, and checklists are easily produced and sold on platforms such as Etsy or your own website. Software applications. If you know how to code, then you can make and sell software programs like mobile apps or desktop software on platforms such as the App Store or your own website. Music or sound effects. If you're a musician or sound designer, you can sell your work on platforms such as Audio Jungle or Pond5. Graphic design assets. As a graphic designer, you could also produce and sell graphic design assets that consists of icons, typefaces, and templates on sites such as Creative Market or your own website. After you've developed your digital product, you're ready to build your sales funnel. Your sales funnel should be built to turn visitors into customers on autopilot, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. The sales funnel is often divided into 4 stages. Awareness. This is the point at which the potential buyer learns about your product or service. They may have discovered your brand via social media, search engines, or advertising. Interest. When a potential customer reaches this stage, they start to show interest in your goods or services. They could go to your website, read your blog, or join your email list. Decision. This is where a prospective consumer assesses your product or service and chooses whether or not to buy it. They could browse product reviews, compare costs, or ask for a demonstration. Action. This occurs at the exact moment at which the client decides to buy something. They may click the Buy Now button, subscribe, or book a consultation. Once you've set up your sales funnel, you must begin to drive traffic to it. This can be accomplished through a variety of strategies such as social media advertising, content marketing, and search engine optimization. Choose the tactics that are most effective for your niche and target audience and concentrate on generating high-quality traffic to your sales funnel. As you begin to make sales, it's critical to optimize and scale your sales funnel. This involves split testing your landing pages, fine-tuning your sales sequence, and experimenting with new approaches to send visitors to your sales funnel. You can increase your income and generate more money passively by continually tweaking and growing your sales funnel. But wait, there's more. Here are some extra pointers to help you step up your digital product game. Consider giving a free trial while you're selling a course or subscription. This provides potential clients a taste of what you have to offer and aids in the development of trust. Furthermore, if they enjoy your product, they are more likely to become paying customers. Collaboration with other creators in your area might serve as an effective strategy to broaden your reach and reach new customers. Look for ways to collaborate on initiatives, cross-promote each other's products, and even build joint offers. Another thing to bear in mind is the significance of customer service. Even if you sell digital things, you must ensure that your clients are pleased and satisfied. Respond to any concerns or complaints as soon as possible and go above and beyond to ensure that your clients have a pleasant experience with your business. Customers that are satisfied with your services are more likely to refer you to others and become repeat customers. Another important aspect to remember is to be organized. Running a successful digital product business involves juggling a variety of activities and responsibilities, ranging from content creation to marketing and sales. To keep track of your activities and meet deadlines, use tools like project management software or a content calendar. Finally, remember to appreciate your victories along the road. It takes time and work to build a successful digital product business. So remember to celebrate your accomplishments and milestones no matter how minor they may appear. It will keep you motivated and focused on your long-term objectives. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember that selling digital things is a terrific method to create passive income, and anybody can do it with the appropriate guidance. If you have any queries or ideas, please post them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.